50 push-ups, with clenched fists. Instructions. Starting position. Muscle contraction. End of exercise. Muscles involved. Breathing.
Starting position. Muscle contraction. Position 2. Muscle contraction. End of exercise. Muscles involved. Muscles involved. Breathing. Four times ABS. Lie down on your back. Raise your legs about 5 centimeters from the ground. Breathing, and lift up the first leg until you form an angle of about 75 degrees, contracting your stomach as you do so. Breathe out when your leg is in a vertical position. Perform the same movement for the other leg. One at a time, return your legs to the starting position, breathing out as you lower them. Carry out the entire exercise in 4 beats. Reverse crunch. Back supported on the ground, shoulders tensed and raised, but with the neck kept relaxed. Legs vertical and bent. Keep your back still, contract the abdomen, and push the knees as far as possible towards the chest. Return to the starting position. Push through. Starting position. Muscle contraction. End of exercise. Muscles involved. Breathing. Hip extensions, bent knee. This exercise is a variant of exercise, hip extensions. This variant with the knee bent is recommended for beginners because the work performed by the gluteus maximus is less intense. Bridging. Starting position. Muscle contraction. End of exercise. Muscles involved. Breathing.
P4P. Floor wiper. Starting position. Muscle contraction. Position 2. Muscle contraction. End of exercise. Muscles involved. Breathing. P4P.
Push-ups, hands as chest width. Starting position. Muscle contraction. End of exercise. Muscles involved. Muscles involved. Breathing. Hip extensions. Support yourself on your elbows and just one knee. The other knee should be lifted slightly off the floor and behind the supporting leg. Deliberately contract your glutes while you fully extend your leg. Return to the starting position. We recommend that you do not bring the knee of the working leg parallel with the supporting leg or bring it to your chest, as is often recommended in the classic version of this exercise. This change will allow you to keep the gluteus maximus under constant tension and concentrate more on the work.